All right, bro. So you asked me to do a lesson on the 1/5 chord progression, like the do. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to just play a loop so that I can show you. Stuff like that. All right. All right. So, like you can hear, I'm doing the key of F. I play my double stops. So learn your double stops very well. Learn your double stops very well. And when you are done learning that, this is your Do, the key of F, and this is your So. Okay. So, Ti, Re, So, Ti. Okay. Do. Okay. So I play something. to your saw. Okay. That's it. I played because this is do, ti, la, do, mi, re. Okay, if you want to play from up there, okay. I believe you might have noticed other do chord here. Okay. Then your saw. I'll show you the saw open chord, C open chord. Okay. Do, re, la, do. Okay. That's what I played for here, okay. Do, hammer on from the do and re. Okay, you just have to put your fingers like this. Use your pinky to hammer on it. Go to your do. Do, re, do, la. Okay. Okay, that is it. So that is it. And I play something like using my double stop here. And I playing so fa mi re do la do ti. Alright, so that's it. Practice that whenever you don't understand. Get back to me. Okay, take your time and raise it. Ask for the beat. I'm going to send the beat for you so you can go ahead and practice it as well. Okay? Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.